Welcome back to RNP Auto. Today, we're diving into one of the most futuristic and luxurious motorhomes you'll ever see. The all-new 2025 Kenworth Double Glass Motorhome. This beast is not just a vehicle, it's a moving piece of modern architecture. Let's take a closer look at what makes this motorhome stand out in the crowd. Right off the bat, the first thing that grabs attention is the double-layered glass design. It's bold, elegant, and gives the motorhome a sleek, high-tech look. The transparent upper body panels are made from impact-resistant smart glass, which can switch from transparent to tinted with just the touch of a button. During the day, it floods the cabin with natural light, and at night, it offers complete privacy with dimming tech. This isn't just about style, it's about smart living on the move. Step inside, and it feels like you've entered a luxury condo. The open floor plan is perfectly designed for both comfort and function. There's a full-sized lounge area with panoramic views, a designer kitchenette with smart appliances, and a convertible dining space. The floors are finished in premium bamboo composite, offering durability and elegance in one. But the real showstopper is the glass ceiling, which gives you uninterrupted sky views, whether you're parked in the forest or the desert. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of its own. It features a king-size memory foam bed, surround sound speakers, and a privacy wall made entirely of electrochromic glass. The lighting system is fully automated, adjusting based on the time of day and your mood preferences. And yes, there's even a walk-in wardrobe. The bathroom comes equipped with a rainfall shower, marble-style finishes, and eco-friendly water recycling tech to extend your travel time off-grid. Now let's talk about the drive. The 2025 Kenworth Double Glass Motorhome is powered by a next-gen hybrid diesel-electric engine. It's quiet, efficient, and incredibly powerful for a vehicle of this size. The advanced air suspension system ensures a buttery smooth ride, no matter what terrain you're on. And thanks to the integrated autonomous driving system, you can kick back and enjoy the ride with minimal input when you're on long highways. Tech-wise, it's a dream. The dashboard is a massive touchscreen interface that controls everything, from climate to entertainment to navigation. It supports real-time traffic updates, satellite terrain view, and even voice control. There's also a built-in AI assistant that learns your travel habits and suggests optimal routes, fuel stops, and even campsites. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. With 360-degree cameras, automated braking, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance systems, the 2025 Kenworth makes sure you and your family are protected on every trip. To sum it up, the 2025 Kenworth Double Glass Motorhome isn't just transportation. It's a mobile luxury residence with cutting-edge design and smart living technology. Whether you're a digital nomad or a luxury traveler, this motorhome promises to transform the way you experience life on the road. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RNP Auto for more in-depth looks at the latest in automotive innovation. See you in the next video.